Changing your oil filter can be a frustrating chore, especially if you don't have the right tool. A reliable 3-jaw oil filter wrench is a game changer, providing a secure grip on stubborn filters and making the job quick and effortless. In this video, we'll solve that problem by reviewing the top 5 best 3-jaw oil filter wrenches that combine power, precision, and durability, helping you save time and avoid damage during oil changes. Let's dive right in. Kicking off our list at number 1, Neiko 20762A. The Neiko 20762A is a versatile 3-jaw oil filter wrench designed for mechanics and DIYers who need a reliable tool for different filter sizes. It features a compact yet rugged design that fits filters ranging from 2.5 to 4 inches in diameter, perfect for cars, trucks, and even some motorcycles. This tool is well regarded for its adjustable gripping range and compatibility with ratchet handles or breaker bars, making it a strong contender for your toolbox. Key features: the Neiko 20762A boasts 3 hardened steel jaws that automatically adjust as you turn the wrench, delivering a tight grip on the filter. The jaws are precision machined for strength and durability, and the body is constructed from forged steel for long-lasting use. It supports the 3/8-inch drive ratchet or breaker bar, which offers great leverage. Its adjustable range means it can handle most standard oil filters without slipping. Benefits and usage: using the Neiko 20762 significantly reduces the hassle of loosening stuck oil filters. The automatic jaw adjustment saves you time from fiddling with multiple sizes, while the solid grip prevents damage to the filter housing. This makes oil changes more efficient and less messy, especially in tight engine compartments where space is limited. Usability: the wrench is designed for ease of use, providing a smooth operation without the need for excessive force. Its compact size allows you to reach filters in confined spaces, and the sturdy construction ensures the tool won't bend or break under pressure. Whether you're a professional or a home mechanic, the Neiko 20762A feels balanced and comfortable in hand, improving your overall workflow. Durability: thanks to its forged steel construction and hardened jaws, this wrench withstands repeated heavy-duty use without losing grip or structural integrity. Users report that it maintains its functionality even after years of use, resisting rust and wear. The Neiko 20762A is built to last, making it a dependable choice for any garage. In the second spot, we have OEMTOOLS 25430. The OEMTOOLS 25430 is another top-performing 3-jaw oil filter wrench designed for serious automotive work. This tool excels in gripping a wide range of oil filters from 2.5 to 4.3 inches, making it highly adaptable to most vehicles. It features a rugged steel frame with a corrosion-resistant coating to handle frequent use in professional or home environments. Key features: this wrench uses 3 strong steel jaws that tighten automatically as you turn the tool, ensuring a secure grip on even the most stubborn oil filters. Its steel frame includes a powder-coated finish to protect against rust and wear. The tool fits any 3/8-inch ratchet or breaker bar, providing excellent torque transfer. Its adjustable jaw design works well with various filter sizes without slipping or crushing. Benefits and usage: the OEMTOOLS 25430 is designed to simplify oil filter removal and installation, reducing the risk of damaging the filter housing. It grips filters firmly, making it easy to apply the necessary torque to loosen stuck filters. Its automatic jaw adjustment means you don't need to guess filter size, making the oil change process more straightforward and less time-consuming. Usability: this wrench is praised for its ergonomic design, offering a comfortable grip and smooth operation even in tight engine bays. The jaws respond instantly to pressure, ensuring that the tool tightens or loosens the filter without slipping. It's a practical choice for mechanics looking for a tool that offers both power and precision. Durability: constructed with high-grade steel and coated for corrosion resistance, the OEMTOOLS 25430 holds up well under constant use. Users have noted its resilience to rust and mechanical wear, ensuring the wrench remains dependable over years of service. This durability makes it a smart investment for anyone who performs regular oil changes. Taking our 4th spot is Aries 56011. The Aries 56011 is a highly functional 3-jaw oil filter wrench known for its solid construction and wide compatibility. Designed for filters between 2.5 and 4.4 inches, this tool fits a broad range of vehicles, from compact cars to trucks. Its rugged design and adjustable jaws make it a dependable tool for both professional garages and home use. Key features: equipped with 3 strong steel jaws that automatically tighten around the filter. The Aries 56011 ensures a firm grip without slippage. The wrench features a heavy-duty steel body with a black oxide finish that resists corrosion. It's compatible with 3/8-inch ratchets and breaker bars, allowing for high torque application when loosening stubborn filters. Benefits and usage: the Aries 56011 simplifies oil filter removal by providing a secure hold, preventing damage to the filter canister. Its automatic jaw adjustment saves time and effort, especially when working with multiple vehicles with different filter sizes. This wrench reduces the frustration often associated with oil changes and helps maintain your vehicle's engine health. Usability: designed for user comfort and efficiency, this tool operates smoothly with minimal slipping or jamming. The jaws adjust seamlessly, gripping filters tightly with just the right amount of pressure. Its compact size allows easy access in tight spaces, making it practical for all types of oil change jobs. Durability: built with heavy-duty steel and coated to resist rust, the Aries 56011 holds up well in demanding conditions. Users appreciate its longevity and the fact that it maintains jaw integrity even after frequent use. Its durable materials make it a tool you can count on for consistent performance. Choosing the right 3-jaw oil filter wrench can make your oil changes safer, faster, and less stressful. Each of these 5 tools offers a unique blend of durability, usability, and grip strength, ensuring you'll find a perfect match for your needs. Whether you're a pro mechanic or a weekend warrior, investing in a quality wrench like these will pay off with every oil change. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert reviews.